Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a graphics card with a PC. First, ensure you have a Phillips head screwdriver and confirm your power supply unit provides enough wattage, typically 400 to 750 watts, for your new card. Always power down and unplug your computer completely. Remember to ground yourself by touching a metal part of the case. Now, carefully remove the side panel of your computer case. You'll then need to locate the primary PCI Express X16 slot on your motherboard. It's usually the longest one. If there's an old graphics card or a slot cover, remove it. Make sure the small retention clip at the end of the PCI Express slot is open and ready for the new card. Once your L-stick edit is set, consistent practice is key. Head into a creative map designed for editing practice. Start with simple edits, like a single wall or floor, and gradually increase the complexity. Aim for at least 15 minutes of dedicated practice each day. This repetition will help build muscle memory, making your edits feel natural and incredibly fast during intense gameplay situations. Don't get discouraged. Improvement takes time and effort. Once the card is installed, reattach your computer's side panel and reconnect all peripherals, including your monitor. Plug in the power cable and turn on your computer. After booting, visit the graphics card manufacturer's website to download and install the latest drivers. Finally, check your system settings to ensure the new card is recognized and working perfectly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.